Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of x where 9 to the power x plus 9 to the power x is equal to 54. We have given 9 to the power x plus 9 to the power x is equal to 54. At first, taking common 9 to the power x, we can write here 9 to the power x bracket 1 plus 1 is equal to 54, or 9 to the power x times 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 is equal to 54, or divided both side by 2, we can write here 9 to the power x times 2 over 2 is equal to 54 over 2. These two cancel out these two, so 9 to the power x is equal to 27. We are going to solve this exponent equation to methods. So first method, here 9 to the power x is equal to 27, or 9 can be written as 3 square because 3 square are same as 9 whole to the power x, and 27 can be written as 3 cube because 3 cube are same as 27. Or here we can apply this exponents rule, a to the power m whole power n is equal to a to the power mn. Apply this rule here, we can write 3 to the power 2x is equal to 3 cube. Now attention, here there are same base but different powers, so we can write here 2x is equal to 3. We need the value of x, so here divided both side by 2, we can write here 2x over 2 is equal to 3 over 2. These two cancel out these two, so the value of x is equal to 3 over 2. Now we can show second method. Here we can write 9 to the power x is equal to 27, or taking log to both sides, we can write here log of 9 power x is equal to log of 27, or here we can apply this rule, log of a to the power b is equal to b log of a. Apply this rule here, we can write here x log of 9 is equal to, here we can write log of 9 times 3 because 9 times 3 are same as 27, or we need the value of x, so here divided both side by log 9, so here we can write x log of 9 over log of 9 is equal to log of 9 times 3 over log of 9, or this log of 9 cancel out this log of 9, so here x is equal to, here we can apply this exponents rule, log of a times b is equal to log of a plus log of b. Apply this rule here, we can write log of 9 plus log of 3 over log of 9 is equal to log of 9 over log of 9 plus log of 3 over log of 9 is equal to, this log of 9 cancel out this log of 9, so it will be remaining 1 plus log of 3, and here we can write log of 3 square because 3 square are same as 9 is equal to 1 plus log of 3 over 2 log of 3. This log of 3 cancel out this log of 3, so it will be remaining 1 plus half. Now here the LCM is 2, so here 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 over 2, so the value of x is equal to 3 over 2. Now check to verify verify. Our equation is 9 to the power x plus 9 to the power x is equal to 54. 9 to the power x plus 9 to the power x is equal to 54. Here x is equal to 3 over 2. So here, or 9 to the power 3 over 2 plus 9 to the power 3 over 2 is equal to 54. Or 9 can be written as 3 square, because 3 square are same as same 9 whole to the power 3 over 2 plus same 3 square whole to the power 3 over 2 is equal to 54. This 2 cancel out this 2 and this 2 cancel out this 2. So it will be remaining 3 cube plus 3 cube is equal to 54. Or 3 cube, so here is equal to 27 and it is equal to 27 is equal to 54. And 27 plus 27 is equal to 54 is equal to 54. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. So the value of x is equal to 3 over 2. Thank you for the watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.